This is the owner's portal where you will be able to view any upcoming bookings, make your own bookings, or look at your month-end statement or any tax document you may need. When you log in, it will bring you to this page. If you click right here on reservations, you can view all of your upcoming bookings. It will give you all the information, guest name, where they booked through, check-in date, check-out date, and the rent and commission. You can scroll through here to see all that you have coming up. If you click right here on availability calendar, this will show you again all of your upcoming bookings, days you have blocked, or any open days. The white ones are open. Anything with a color is a booking, and they correlate right here. So Airbnb, VRBO, or if they're booked through our customer service team, it will show you right there. You can scroll, and then if you click on these arrows, it will change the date. If you click on reports, this is where you'll view your month-end statement or anything tax related that you might need. If you click on month-end, you can change the date here to any date range that you like. Going back, then just click get statement and they will pop up right here. You can download or view them from here. If we go to make reservation here on the left, this is where you'll put in if you have any owner bookings or friends or family are coming. You can change the reservation type by clicking this drop down. Owner block, non-paying guest, or paying guest of the owner. Click OK. Put in the check-in date and the checkout date, how many people will be, and then you can put the rest of their information right here. Make reservation, and then that will sync up with your calendar. Also on the left here, we have your tape chart. This is another calendar version for you to view with all of your upcoming bookings or open days. So we'll have the unit right here, and then any color will be a booking, and anything that's white, you know you have those days available. You can change the date right here as well. And then also on the left, you have Contact Us. If you click on that, it will take you to our website, or you can also email or give us a call anytime. If you need help or you have any questions about the owner portal, please feel free to reach out to us. We are more than happy to help you.